So we're going to be having a look at variables today in Scratch, and what I would like to do is just explain to you what a variable is. A variable really is a container that's used to store useful information. So what we're going to do today is we're going to click on data, and you'll see that there are two options: make a variable, make a list. We'll be going over lists later. We're going to click on make a variable, and what you will see is that you can name your variable anything you like. Okay, Scratch is really flexible. You can type in anything at all and it will accept it. However, what I'd like to do is start to show you the words and the style that we use in computing, so the type of syntax that we use. Okay, so we need to show textual information with this, and what we're going to do is we're going to ask for the user's name. Now, for instance, I could type in "give me your name," but what you can see is that there are lots of spaces here and there are a lot of words that the computer has to deal with. So I need to think of a better way of creating this variable that's going to be a more concise name. So what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to type in username. Now we can see that's just one name and it's much better. However, computer and convention says that it would be better still if we used an underscore and we made the first letters of each word uppercase. So it now becomes what we call camel case. So the first letters of each word are in uppercase. So I'm going to click on OK, and we're going to move forwards from this. What you can see is here is my variable that I have just created, and we have set username to, and I can set a value for it. This gives me the opportunity to change it. So for example, if I'm throwing basketballs in a hoop, maybe I want it to change by 1. Okay, and there's show variable and hide variable. So those are now the blocks that Scratch has created for me that I am now free to use in my other syntax.